Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am for the week of June 12th. Wow. And I am decorating in my Hobonichi weeks, and I will be using one of my newest collections coming out in June. It's my summer moss, although the color looks more wintry, but I do like the purple, kind of dusty pink mauve, and the blue. And then you've got the swatches, the circles, and then the quote and washi. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is place one of these bigger circles down here at the bottom and place one of this one. I like this big one. Oops. Right here. And then I'm gonna do basically the same. Well, am I going to do exactly the same thing? No, I'm going to use some of the washi. I'm actually just going to cut it in half, just like this. And then place a purple circle down. And one of these strips down. Oh, come on. There we go. And then down here at the bottom, place some of the smaller ones as well. Just like so. I want to try and keep it simple, but still really just pretty. Oh, I like that very much. So then I'm gonna go ahead in here and just write the days of the week in. So this is my pastel primary manipulation, and it currently has Wearingeul Jane Eyre inks in it. I'm currently doing 30 inks, 30 days, so you're getting a sneak peek of what day 9 is in my 30 inks, 30 days. But I love the opportunity to be able to use this more if I can. All right, so I'll go ahead and write in my meetings. So there is my overall spread. Very simple, but I think still really, really pretty. I feel like I want to add, I'm gonna break out my According to Ali washi here, just to add just a little something here and a little something there, just to give it a little bit more. And I'm wondering, I'm gonna leave these as free down here. See, washi adds so much with just 2 little pieces. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys for joining me for this very quick plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Just remember, these stickers, my summer moss collection, come out on Friday, June 16th. I'm so excited for these. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.